Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss about CA Foundation accounting paper presentation tips. So how the accounting paper is presented in the examination. How do we start our answers and how do we end up our answer sheet? Is it clear students? Yes. Now for that, here I am taking May 2025 question paper for reference purpose. Is it clear? Yes sir. Now look at first. Before you start your answers means, see here we have 15 minutes of reading time. Enter into the exam hall by 1:30 or 1:35. By 1:45 you get your question paper. Within that 15 minutes time you have to utilize the 15 minutes effectively and efficiently. How sir? Look at utilization of 15-minute reading time. This is very important. During these 15 minutes what we have to do? Analyze the question paper. Read, understand and analyze the question paper in the form of easy questions. Easy questions. Identify which questions are easy, which questions are moderate and which questions are different. This is different from person to person. For me, suppose question number 1 is easy. For you, the question number 1 may be moderate. For some others, the question number 1 may be different question. Sir, what is this different question? Difficult question, na sir? No. No question is difficult. It's a just different question. Means you have to think differently. Is it clear, students? No difficult question, only different questions. Now, from your point of view, identify which question is easy, which question is moderate, and which question is different. After identifying, next, within the 15 minutes time only, identify which question we write first. Means you write first. Don't forget, we have only 1.8 minute per mark. Don't forget this rule because we have 180 minutes time now. 180 minutes divided by 100 marks means 1.8 minute per mark. We have to spend 1.8 minute per mark. Suppose if a 10 marks question 10 marks question is given, means you have to attempt it within 15 minutes. Sorry, within 18 minutes. Means within these 18 minutes you have to draw the required formats, you have to draw the required working notes and calculations, writing part, everything, and verification also. Verification also you have to complete within this time. And suppose if you want to attempt 100 marks question paper, then you have 1.8 minute per mark. Suppose if you attempt only 80 marks, if you attempt only 70 marks perfectly, then automatically the time may be more. The time may be more. For example, I am going to attempt only 80 marks. During this 15 minutes time, I fixed. I attempt only 80 marks. Means only 4 questions, whatever it may be. I attempt for 80 marks. Means how much time you have per mark? 180 divided by 80, 2.25 minute per mark you have time. Means you have more time to think about the question. Yes or no, students? So the less number of marks you attempt, you get more time. Sir, I attempt only 40 marks, sir, so that I get more time. Hello, mister. If you attempt only for 40 marks, how can you get pass marks? Okay. So at least from my point of view, at least you should attempt 80 marks. 80 marks. At least you should try to attempt 80 marks question paper. If possible, try to attempt 100 marks. If not possible, then attempt 80 marks. Don't forget this. By hook or crook, you have to answer minimum to minimum 80 marks questions. Is it clear, students? Yes, sir. Now, and don't forget this. First impression is the last impression. The first impression is the best impression, sir. No, students. In professional courses, don't think that if my first question is correct, then automatically they will correct the next questions without looking the answer, without looking the presentation. No. The impression will carry, the impression of valuationer will carry from first to last. Is it clear? Yes, sir. So utilize this 15 minutes time. This 15 minutes time will decide your next 3 hours. Your next 3 hours. And some students, they simply stay for 1 hour in the exam hall and they leave the exam hall. Don't look at them. Don't look at them. Mark this. Don't look at them. They don't know, or their preparation may be less, or they might be writing the exam only for the practice purpose. Forget about them. Don't look at them. You have to stay for 3 hours in the exam hall. For that, this 15 minutes will help you. This 15 minutes will help you. So during this 15 minutes, what you have to do, tell me? You have to read the question paper, understand the question paper, and make a blueprint of this answer in your mind. Blueprint of answer in your mind. And identify the questions as easy question, moderate question, and different question. Always try to solve easy questions first, after that moderate question, after that different question. And also choose which question we write the first question. First question, you have to write the best question. And don't forget this time rule also, time thumb rule. 1.8 minute per 1 mark. This thumb rule is for those students who attempt 100 marks question paper. If you reduce the attempt of marks, automatically time will increase, inverse relation. If attempt marks, so for how many marks you are attempting, that inversely proportionate with the time also. So the less marks you attempt, the more time you get. Is it clear? And first impression, the last impression. Right. Now look at presentation. So exactly at 2 o'clock, you will get your answer sheet. Exactly at 2 o'clock, you get your answer sheet. After getting answer sheet, first fill the required details. Now start doing the answers. And don't forget, here you get different types of questions. Sir, what are the different types of questions? First, you get true or false statement question. After that, theory question. After that, the problems which require the preparation of statement. Which require the preparation of statements. And some problems requires preparation of journal entries, recording of journal entries. Some problems may require preparation of ledger accounts only, and some problems require preparation of final accounts, like preparation of financial statements of sole proprietor or not for profit organization, or preparation of final accounts from incomplete records, accounts from incomplete records. This requires final accounts preparation. And some problems preparation of statements like preparation of bank reconciliation statement, preparation of valuation of inventory statement, preparation of trial balance. It is also a statement, na? So which type of question it is, based on that our presentation is there. If it is a true or false statement, how do we present? If it is a theory question, then how do we present? If it is a problem requires statement only, then what is our presentation? If the journal entries are there, what is our presentation? If ledger accounts are there, what is our presentation? If final accounts are there, then what is our presentation? Is it clear, students? Now first come to true or false statement. If the question is on the concept of true or false statement, suppose let us take for example first question. First question part A. First question part A. Here we get 6 true or false statements. No? 6 true or false statements. So here they have given clearly, state with reasons whether the following statements are true or false. So here you have to state, first you have to say whether the statement is correct, true or false. True or false. Thereafter you have to give the reason also. And don't forget that if you simply write the statement true or false, you don't get marks. 100% sure. Simply by writing true, false, you don't get marks. Compulsorily, you have to write the reason. So this is how we present the true or false statements. Next, come to theory question. Theory question generally they will ask in question number 1B, question number 1B, at the same time question number 6B. In these two places, theory question will be asked. Question number 1B and question number 5B. 5B. Look at, sorry, 6B. 6B. Question number 1B and question number 6B are theory questions. If you are a theory lover, or if you can easily answer theory question, then how to present theory question? Suppose here the question is simply they have asked what are the objectives of accounting standard and what is the difference between liability and contingent liability. Here, if the answer is only two lines, you just write two lines, correct answer. Don't simply write. Suppose this first question is for 2 marks and second question is for 2 marks. If I write half page, I get 2 marks. If I write full page, then I get 2 marks. Don't expect this. Here, the marks which you get directly depends on the matter. How correctly you have written the answer, whether it is theory or problem, whatever it may be. Don't write unnecessary junk. Don't write unnecessary junk. Do remember. Is it clear? So this is how we present a theory question, and come to problems. Suppose 1C is on the concept of inventory valuation. 1C is on the concept of inventory valuation. You are required to ascertain the value of inventory. For this, you just it is enough to prepare a statement. When you are preparing statement, don't forget to write the heading. This statement discloses what? Suppose if you are preparing BRS, what is the heading we write? Bank reconciliation statement of so and so business as on so and so date. Or simply you can write the business name first. Below that you write BRS statement name. If you are preparing trial balance, then first write the business name. Below that write down trial balance as on so and so date. So like this, the and valuation of inventory. Write on the business name first. After that, write on the valuation of inventory or computation of inventory as on so and so date. Like this, the heading is very important, and the statement format is also very important. Here, students. So this is how we present statement. The problems which require statement. Next question number 2A. If you observe, this is the question on rectification of errors. Rectification of errors is nothing but look at which type of question it is. Identify which type of question it is. The problem requires journal entries, sir. Problem requires journal entries, sir. Journal entries. Journal entries means we have to draw the journal format now. Journal format, date, particulars, LF column, debit amount, credit amount. Whether LF column is maintained or not. Suppose ledger folio is written or not. Draw the column. What happens? 5-column journal format. You just draw the format. It looks good. And write down the heading. Don't forget to write the heading. Journal heading. Journal. You write down the business name. Below that, write down rectification entries. Rectification entries. And start writing one by one entry with perfect narration. This is how we present the answer which requires journal entries. Whatever it may be. In company accounts also, you get a journal entries now. Suppose for example, 6A question is there. 6A. 6A is on the company accounts. It may be issue of shares or issue of debentures or redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures, bonus issue, rights issue, whatever it may be. So which requires journal entries only. Draw the neat journal entries. Format first. Journal format first. Draw the journal format first. If dates are there, write down the date of transaction. Write down the entry and narration. Write down the perfect amounts. And don't forget to draw the uh, line between two entries. Line between two entries. If time is not sufficient to write this line, to draw this line, then leave one row gap. One row gap. And see that no more strike offs. See here, valuation depends on person to person. All valuationers will not value the question paper in a same manner. Keep this in your mind. From valuationer to valuationer, the valuation may be different. Suppose valuationer 1, if you have more strike offs now, he may not like strike offs. Valuationer 2, okay, if there may be more strike offs, the answer is correct. He may think in that manner. So, okay, most probably see that no strike offs, no calculation mistakes. Clear? Next, the problems requires ledger account preparation. Ledger account preparation, draw the ledger format, neat ledger format. Suppose, for example, preparation of partners capital accounts. Draw the Put the heading partners capital accounts, draw the ledger format, draw the neat columns, debit, credit. If time permits, write down debit, credit. No date column is required na. Particulars, partners A, partner B. So draw like this. Give neat postings by prefixing the word either to or by. Like this, you prepare all ledger accounts and balance them perfectly. Is it clear, students? So this is how we present ledger account preparation problems. Next one, the problem which require final accounts. Final accounts is nothing but preparation of trading account, P&L account, balance sheet. Prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet formats first with a neat heading. Like trading account heading is, first we write the business name, after that we write trading account for the year ended so and so date. You are preparing trading and P&L account combinedly, then write down trading and P&L account for the year ended. Most of the students will commit mistake in writing the headings. Headings plays an important role, students. So headings are very very important. And balance sheet heading, balance sheet as on so and so date. Once you write the business name, na, every time you need not to write business name. Is it clear, everybody? So this is how we prepare final accounts problem. And don't forget importance of working note. During this process of preparation of statement or journal entries or ledger accounts preparation or final accounts preparation, if any major working note is there, for small calculations, you can just show the calculation in the answer itself. Calculation. Suppose interest calculation. So PTR by 100, principal amount into rate by 100 into time factor. You can directly show in the answer part itself. Small calculation. But which requires working note. Suppose, for example, NPO chapter, it requires subscription account. For example, subscription account. You prepare subscription account as working note. It has some marks. In case of final accounts of sole proprietor, suppose provision for doubtful debts is there. Provision for doubtful debts. You prepare working note for provision for doubtful debts. In the problem, you identify what is the major working note. For small things, they don't expect any working note. But for major calculation, they expect working note compulsorily. Working note will carry some marks. Yes or no, students? Yes, sir. So this is how you have to present your accounts question paper. Is it clear? So analyze first before starting your answer. Analyze the question paper during the 15 minutes. After starting the answer, based on the type of question, your presentation must be there. Clear? Before writing the question, before writing the answer, which type of question it is, identify, and based on that, give your presentation. And don't forget the importance of working note. Very, very, very important. Clear, everybody? Yes. So that's it in this video. We discuss more things in the next videos. Till then, bye bye, everyone.